Number 1. What is the financial assistance provided under Parampragat Krishi Vikas Yojana (PKVY) for organic farming? Correct answer C. 31,500 rupees per hectare for 3 years. Explanation: under PKVY, 31,500 rupees per hectare is provided for 3 years, covering training, capacity building, organic certification, marketing, and publicity. 15,000 rupees per hectare is given to farmers through direct benefit transfer (DBT) for organic inputs. Number 2. What is the total corpus allocated under the Credit Guarantee Scheme for ENWR? Correct answer D. 1,000 crore rupees. Explanation: the government has allocated a total corpus of 1,000 crore rupees under the Credit Guarantee Scheme for ENWR, benefiting small and marginal farmers, MSMEs, and farmer producer organizations, FPOs. Number 3. Which organization conducts the assessment of forest cover in India? Correct answer B. Forest Survey of India FS. Asai Star Dehradun. Explanation: the Forest Survey of India FSI Dehradun conducts biennial assessments of India's forest cover and releases the India State of Forest Report ISFR. Number 4. How much assistance is provided under MOV Sitner for organic farming? Correct answer E. 46,500 rupees per hectare for 3 years. Explanation: under MOV Sitner, 46,500 rupees per hectare is provided over 3 years, including 32,500 rupees per hectare for organic inputs and 17,500 rupees per hectare for planting material. Number 5. What is the budgetary outlay for the PLI scheme for millet-based products? Correct answer B. 800 crore rupees. Explanation: the Production Linked Incentive Scheme for Millet-Based Products PLSMEP has a total budgetary outlay of 800 crore rupees for FY 2022 to 2027. Number 6. What is the main objective of the Rashtriya Gokul Mission? Correct answer A. Enhancing productivity of bovines and conserving indigenous breeds. Explanation: the Rashtriya Gokul Mission RGM aims to enhance the productivity of bovines, conserve indigenous cattle and buffalo breeds, and promote artificial insemination to improve milk production. Number 7. What is the primary aim of the Namo Drone DD scheme? Correct answer B. Distributing drones to women, self-help groups, SHGs. Explanation: the Namo Drone DD scheme, with an outlay of 1,261 crore rupees, provides 80% financial assistance, up to 8 lakh rupees per drone, to women SHGs for agricultural use. Number 8. What was the theme for World Soil Day 2024? Correct answer C. Caring for soils, measure, monitor, manage. Explanation: World Soil Day is observed on 5th December every year. The 2024 theme emphasized the importance of measuring and monitoring soil health. Number 9. Under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana 4 PMGSY 4, how many kilometers of roads will be constructed? Correct answer C. 62,500 kilometers. Explanation: PMGSY 4 2024 to 2029 aims to construct 62,500 kilometers of all-weather roads, improving rural connectivity and socio-economic development. Number 10. What is the primary objective of the Ranjan Machli app? Correct answer B. Providing information on ornamental fish breeding and care. Explanation: developed under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana PMMSY, this app provides multilingual support and promotes ornamental fish farming. Number 11. What is the financial assistance provided to farmers under the Per Drop More Crop PDMC scheme? Correct answer C. 55% for small and marginal farmers, 45% for others. Explanation: under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, the Per Drop More Crop scheme provides 55% subsidy for small and marginal farmers and 45% for others to promote micro-irrigation. Number 12. What is the name of India's initiative to support youth entrepreneurship in cooperatives? Correct answer B. Yuva Sahakar Scheme. Explanation: Yuva Sahakar Cooperative Enterprise Support and Innovation Scheme is implemented by NCDC to support young entrepreneurs in cooperatives. Number 13. How much interest subvention is provided under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund AIF? Correct answer A. 3% interest subvention. Explanation: under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund AIF, an interest subvention of 3% is provided on loans for agriculture infrastructure projects. Number 14. How much financial assistance is given for off-farm and on-farm organic inputs under MOV Senior? Correct answer A. 32,500 rupees per hectare for 3 years. Explanation: under the Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region MOV SEEDNA, 32,500 rupees per hectare is provided for organic inputs over 3 years. Number 15. Under PMGSY-IF, how many habitations will be connected? Correct answer C. 25,000. Explanation: Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PIF 2024 to 2029 will connect 25,000 unconnected habitations, mainly in rural and remote areas with all-weather roads. Number 16. What is the interest rate under the Modified Interest Subvention Scheme? Correct answer A. 4% for loans up to 3 lakh rupees. Explanation: under the Modified Interest Subvention Scheme, farmers can avail loans up to 3 lakh rupees at a reduced interest rate of 4%. Number 17. What is the loan coverage for MSMEs FPOS under the Credit Guarantee Scheme for ENWR? Correct. Answer OA. 75% for loans up to 200 lakh rupees. Explanation: under the Credit Guarantee Scheme for ENWR, MSMEs, FPOs and traders can avail 75% coverage for loans up to 200 lakh rupees. Number 18. How much subsidy is available for onion storage under MIDH? Correct answer C. 50%. Explanation: under the Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH, financial assistance is available for constructing onion storage facilities, covering 50% subsidy up to 1,75,000 rupees per unit. Number 19. What is the budget for the National Mission on Natural Farming NMNF? Correct answer DOIK 2,481 crore rupees. Explanation: the NMNF is a standalone centrally sponsored scheme with an outlay of 2,481 crore rupees aimed at promoting natural farming. Number 20. Which state launched the Prakrutik Krushi portal? Correct answer C. Gujarat. Explanation: Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel launched the Prakrutik Krushi portal to promote organic farming. Number 21. What is the new collateral-free loan limit for farmers? Correct answer Bod B. 2 lakh rupees. Explanation: the RBI increased the collateral-free agricultural loan limit from 1.6 lakh rupees to 2 lakh rupees effective January 1st, 2025. Thank you. Something exciting is coming soon. Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.